You know how I got that picture? Like from I literally looked up World War II Canadian propaganda, and that guy popped up. And I was like, you know what? You look like the average Canadian. I'm choosing you.
Propaganda, I choose you. Go Pokeball.
It's super effective. My mom, like when I came home, like from walk outside one day, like my mom had
From World War II.
Yes, I saw my mom in the kitchen, and she had this large like contraption in front of her. I'm like, what is that? And it was a juicer. I was like,
Oh,
why
Jesus.
why did you buy a juicer? And she's like, I didn't buy it. I want it.
I want it.
Yeah, she like entered a contest for a wine and liquor store nearby, and she got it.
Best part is Montagnier is French.
Yeah.
I never knew that until Ty was like, yeah, it stands for mountain. I'm like, oh.
You didn't know that?
I had no clue.
I saw that, and I'm like, my dad was like already teaching me a bit of French, and is like, wait a minute, I heard that word before.
I'm sorry, James, I don't speak surrender.
Wow. Okay.
Feed your hamster. You know what he means by that, right?
Is this like a joke that I'm missing on?
Yes.
What is
your
it?
internet was slow because you weren't loading in, so he wouldn't feed your hamster. Because apparently your internet now runs off a hamster wheel.
Oh. I was playing one time, and this guy had a really bad internet connection. I kept telling him to stop chewing his internet cable, and he got really mad at it.
I'm a stress eater.
There's Tall Bade.
I'm just gonna get peeked and just instantly die.
Oh, there he is. Oh, that was a fan. I saw a fan moving, and I'm like, enemy spotted! Oh wait, I want to see if I can see their feet. I gotta make sure not to shoot you.
There's a wanderer.
Oh god, no! Bade!
Tank is on the staircase to the left. Run in there and stab him in the face.
Is he still on? Did they?
He's still in there. He did not move.
Like, was that him?
Did you get the Shanka? You got him. No,
No,
you didn't.
no, that was a
You got the
Capcan.
Capcan.
Tachanka's still on the stairwell.
Capcan
Wait.
or Capcan not?
You know what? I'm gonna try this. Eh. Oh god! I got him.
Enemy spotted.
Hey, hold on. I'll scan these footsteps. Crap.
Tachanka died.
Oh my god. Okay.
Jesus.
That was a blood. Look at the stairs!
Oh, oof, ripped the painting.
That was like +1 hurt.
Why? Why would you break that?
Someone just got banned.
Oh, nice. What did you do?
I broke the mirror's glass.
Oh. Why did he get so mad? There was only still one person. We were all
He wasn't
alive.
even mad, he's just like, why? James,
What?
look up.
Oh no. This isn't good. Hold on, wait. No,
Go on the roof.
I got this.
Wait, okay, I'll tell you when.
Oh. I like how you just kind of like looked up at it with your scanner and you're like, oh no.
Just do it.
I was playing Colton with Colton one time, and he's playing his mute, and he placed on one of his jammers, but he placed it really close to a wall, and so whenever I placed my reinforced wall, it crushed his little mute jammer, and he got really mad at me because it was his last one. Hide in this room.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Allah Akbar? Oh crap!